Hey, Jake's Lego Corner here with a custom Lego minifig of Hiccup Haddock based off of the brand new trailer for the live-action How to Train Your Dragon movie. And to build him, I used the legs from the Lego Minifigure Series 22 Paperboy. This torso is from the Viking Village Viking Chief. Then the hands and face are from Peter Parker. Any Peter Parker, doesn't really matter. And the face is, the hair is from Young Han Solo. But it also came on some other minifigures. So if you have those pieces, you can make a pretty, I want to say accurate Hiccup Haddock based off of the first movie. But to each their own, there's probably a better torso to use. I just felt like this one gave him the Viking vibes and had the brown and the green, which he needs. If there was one that had the brown as a vest instead of a chest plate, that would probably work better. But this is what I had to work with. Anyways, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos like this in the future. Bye.